We have a Buick here. Car was in an accident, so the insurance company only paid for one side. Brand new headlight. Driver's side is the original. This happens more often than you would think, where they only replace one without the other. And as you can see how bad. So this is the new one. And then here comes the original. And obviously it was night and day. So we had to try to match the original. Wasn't easy, but that's what we do. So here, look at this. The new one. Nice blue ring in the middle there. Pretty cool looking light. And then when we're done, look at that. You couldn't even tell the difference. You would never know it. South Florida, give us a call, 754-302-0769. We are 100% mobile. We come to you. We come to your home or office, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach County. 754-302-0769.